Cheers, Colin. Cheers, Colin. Hey, Colin, can we call it truce?
Yeah.
Move and go.
Fantastic. How do you feel it?
Oh, I feel very grateful, yeah, for getting this off the IFTAs. I really do, and I was shocked, and just very grateful, very honoured.
Thanks for your time.
That's mad, man. No, it's not something that I'm used to at all. It's very strange, very surreal each time, and then you kind of go into blackout mode, you know, and that's it. So yeah, no, I can't really remember it much, but I hope I made sense. I don't know what I said or what.
Have you come out of blackout mode yet?
A little bit, yeah. There's a very kind of succinct period where it's you're kind of on autopilot, and now I feel like I've returned to earth a little bit, yeah.
So what was it about this character? I mean, obviously...
This character, Syracuse, I loved him when I read him. I think Neil Jordan just wrote, you know, one of the great scripts and really, for me, wrote one of the great characters that I've ever had the fortune to approach. You know, he was somebody that had a lot of difficulty in his life and yet kept his head held, not so high, but kept his head up anyway, and sometimes that's enough, just to keep your head up. And he completely lacked self-pity, Syracuse, in a way that I was very envious of. And yeah, so it was a joy to play.
Thank you.
Thanks, man. Thanks.
Cheers. Have a nice day.